Ito
Happy
shaper.
birthday, shaper.
Dito na tayo, no?
Shaper boy.
Pwede.
Happy birthday, shaper.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Kinikiss? Uy, nahawakan. Di ba ayun? Oo, ayaw na. Hindi, pero tinanong ko. Kailan kita ikikiss? Sino? Hanggang kailan? Kailan na?
Radio.
Buhay na naman ah.
Video ka ba?
Bakit? Ito rin bulag. Puso ba dito yan?
Kirat. Kakaliwa.
Kaliwa na tayo?
Hindi, kakaliwa siya sabi.
Okay.
Ito medyo challenging to.
Ano ba dito?
Okay, you see overlocking there, overlocking there. Over here. Parking, we park over there. Oh, I see, they have food. Ay nako.
Sobrang pa.
Lalaglag ako, mamaya na tayo mag-video.
Naalala ko nga dyan.
Sino ang expert? Customer Melvin.
Ah, isa pala. Kakainin.
Sa atin yan lahat. Ano nilagay yung ano? Yung kanina. Pinasok mo. Na? Isang lalaki.
Next you.
45 minutes waiting for the food. Ohomini. Ohomini. Ohomini waiting. Okay, this is a Filipino food. This is what you call the sinigang salmon. This one is the chop suey. This one is a shrimp. This one is the butter chicken. That's original.
May sauce ba yung butter chicken? Meron.
What can you say about the food?
It's nice. I already ate this and this.
What
Butter chicken.
can you describe the taste of the some of the food? For Tito Uncle Tony. Oh, what is the taste of this?
Crunchy and delicious.
Oh, I see. How about you?
Also this one. I like this one.
How about you?
Chicken.
Oh, chicken.
This is must try.
Uh-huh.
Also the place.
Oh, the place must try.
Look at the overlooking.
But you must wait 1 hour. This is the birthday boy. What can you say about the milk?
Buti na lang ang ganito.
Sasarado na.
Happy birthday.
Ang kalbo makulit. Okay, ligpit na ulit. Tapos na ang photo ops. Mayor nga. Shiver. Kuya Ice. Ay!
Kaya po mo si Ice.
Ayaw pa eh. Let's go.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Shaver!
Ay, paglabas ni Sid, kanta.
Di siya muna. Kita yung pandan. Sabi ko kasi dito eh. Dito siya dapat. Oo, dito. Dito yun siya video.
Ah, dyan pala.
Happy birthday, Shaver! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Kanta ka! Happy birthday, Shaver!
Yay!
Blow the candle! Blow the candle! 1, 2, 3! Ay, wala ko siya.
Blow, 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 blow.
I'll help you. Now blow the candle. 1, blow the candle. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Yay!
Yay! Clap your hands! Clap your hands!
Okay. Eat the cake.
Oh, hominy!
Eat the cake. Eat the cake na. Eat the cake.